So you know the thing is, I think that electrical has principles. You understand? If if the socket is, how do you call it, rated 13 amps, what it means is that that socket can only take 13 amps of current. Agreed? Now, if it is connected to a 16 amps breaker, what it means is that the expected amount of current at the socket end should be 16. Do you get it? Okay. But it does not mean that then if that is the case, 16, 16, 16, 16, it doesn't mean that. Because there's a principle called Kirchhoff law. It states that the amount of current at point A is the same current at point B. Do you get it? That's the reason why, if we should, let's just put it, where is it? What's your name? John. Can I be only John people to take president to John? So Charlie, oh, you won't become president one day. Okay, so go. Let's go. So this is there we go. Okay, so come and measure something. Tape. Come and measure voltage. So measure, like say, here and here. Put the test it. One here, put one here. Put it fine. What do you have? Okay, so 232 what? 0.5 volts. Okay, leave it. Do you know that if you go to under the meter and you test it, you have the same thing? Why is it that it didn't multiply? It doesn't. Do you understand it? So whenever you are feeding, now don't forget there's something we call voltage drop. That one is another discussion altogether. So I don't know, I put behind me. So whenever you are giving a load power, you don't look at it and say, okay, if it gets okay, if I measure here, this will be different. No, you look at the rating of the appliance or the equipment, and then you give it its rightful current. That's the only way the system will be safe and the appliance will work. You understand? I should get it.